Welcome! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send a pin in Pinterest chat using your mobile device. Whether you want to share inspiration, a cool recipe, or a must-try DIY, sending pins directly in chat is a quick and easy way to connect with friends and fellow pinners. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Pinterest app. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of your screen for the inbox icon. It usually looks like a little speech bubble. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you straight to your messages, where you can see all your current chats and conversations. Now, if you already have a chat going with the person you want to send the pin to, just tap on that conversation to open it. If you haven't started a chat yet, no worries. Just tap the button to start a new chat. You can search for the person's name or select them from your contacts to begin a new conversation. With your chat open, look for the plus sign icon, usually found near the message box at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus sign and you'll see a few different options pop up. From here, choose the option to send a pin. Pinterest will now show you your recently saved pins, or you can browse through your boards to find the perfect one to share. Scroll through your pins, select the one you want, and tap on it. You'll see a preview of the pin, and if everything looks good, tap the send button. That's it. The pin will appear right in your chat, ready for your friend to view, comment on, or save to their own boards. It's a great way to keep your conversations creative and inspiring. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Pinterest tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!